Iron and Wine Restaurant.
All right, you guys, I said it was gonna happen, the brand new What's Cooking with Kimberly. I am in Paterson, New York, hanging out with my boy, Tommy, who has mad skills in the kitchen. He's got this beautiful restaurant, Iron and Wine, tapas, shared plates, no skimping on the culinary delights. We are behind the bar, as you can see, and he just made me this beautiful capirinha. Tommy, thank you so much for having me.
Absolutely.
This is awesome. So for those of you who don't know, Tommy was the winner of Cutthroat Kitchen, and he was on Hell's Kitchen throwing down. Oh, look at what we've got here. Oh my gosh. Those Brussels sprouts are calling my name, all right? So I'm just gonna jump right in. If you'd like to tell me about this dish, I'm listening while I'm eating.
This is probably one of our best-selling dishes here. We have a fried crispy Brussels sprout, and then it's actually glazed with a pork fat caramel that we make out of all of our pork drippings after roasting our pork butts.
Oh my gosh!
And it's a little soy, a little ginger, and some chili. It's just like a spicy glaze, sweet, spicy, salty. We add a little lemon juice on top, add acid to cut the sweetness. And the dish is topped with a little sesame seed, a little jalapeno to add a little extra spice. I literally take the juice rendered and the pork fat, and then we cook it down with chilies, a little soy sauce and ginger, sugar, and we turn it into pretty much the equivalent of a caramel that we glaze the Brussels with. Sweet, spicy.
Mwah.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Mwah. Mwah. So good.
Well, I literally put any pork product or anything cooked off a piece of pork in something else at all times. You know.
So that's a great secret. Don't give all your secrets away because I'm going to steal them. What do we have here?
You have a toasted coconut crab cake.
Ooh.
And I've been slinging this dish for God.
He's been slinging this dish for 6 years.
Seriously.
Because this is a favorite.
Yeah. Everywhere I go.
It's a staple.
Every job I've had leading up to here, this point in my life, I've brought this dish with me.
Wow.
People rave about it.
Okay.
It just got a little toasted coconut, brings a lot of sweetness out of the crab. On top is a spicy remoulade, and there is also a marmolata made out of sweet bell pepper that we cook down. And actually, there's 2 ingredients to that, a little sugar and bell pepper, and it just slow cooked down, so it brings out the natural sweetness of the red bell.
So I'm just going to say.
Many people don't even know it's there, but it is.
If you want a crab cake, this crab cake is worth driving.
The golden ticket.
Yeah. This is the golden ticket crab cake right here. This is delicious, and I'll be honest with you, I'm not a big fan of coconut, but it's so good in this. It's in the batter, it's on the outside, right? We're just getting started here. Tommy is going to let us go back in the kitchen and see what's really going on, so don't go anywhere, stick around.